are watching The Educated Weirdo.
Hello, and welcome back to my YouTube channel, The Educated Weirdo. This channel is designed to provide you with innovative information that empowers your intellect. So, please enjoy. Today I want to share with you a strategy that could help you save money and possibly help you break into the world of investing. Most people dream of owning multiple rental properties and living vicariously off of the cash flow they generate. But let's face it, most people nowadays don't have the capital nor knowledge to even know how to begin. Though I am not a financial advisor. I did sleep at a Holiday Inn Express last night. That was a joke, by the way. But seriously, what if I told you that there's a way to create the same effect without all of the extra contractual jargon? Well, you've come to the right channel. But first, do keep in mind that this video does not cover the legalities behind any information presented. And you should do your own research before acting on any financial ventures. With that being said, a creative strategy that most have never heard of is house hacking. It works like this. Let's say you buy a home using one of the many government-backed programs that allow you to put little to no money down. Let's also say you're single with no kids. So, you purchase a 2-bath, 3-bedroom home. Just to keep the math simple in this example. Your monthly mortgage payments are $1,200 a month. Because you are savvy and you watch The Educated Weirdo religiously, you decide to house hack. Therefore you rent out each individual bedroom for $650 a piece monthly. Now you're in a brand new house with little to no financial responsibilities. Think about it for a second. Your tenants are practically paying down your mortgage. Simultaneously you are gaining positive equity via appreciation on your investment as well. And as an added bonus, you're cash flowing an extra $100 a month due to your tenants' faithful payments. But let's not stop there. Let's say for whatever reason, you don't feel comfortable living with strangers. But you still wanted to low-key break into the real estate rental scene. Well, instead of house hacking a single family unit, you could easily house hack a duplex or a triplex. It's even possible to house hack a quadplex. In conclusion, this is an excellent way to create extra cash flow. Or to just live financially free. Recently home prices have skyrocketed through the roof. Housing hacking, if nothing else, could be used as a hedge in a volatile market. It's a low-cost, high-reward way to get your feet wet landlording without all of the extra overbearing legalities. For more videos like this, subscribe to my channel and don't forget to smash the like button. I am The Educated Weirdo, and as always, much love and respect.